Okay, so I found the box cutter and I got the end cut off as it told me to. The bird is back supervising again. So it tells me to remove the filler and remove the grass bag, this being a grass bag. Okay, and I'll just set that down on the grass, seems appropriate. A small grass bag, smaller than this one. Okay, and here's the handle. So I'll just pick up the handle. There we go. And I guess I'll set that over here too. All right. And what did it say? It said roll the mower forward out of the, right? So here we go. Roll the mower out of the open end. Okay. Well, that doesn't sound any more complicated than I can manage. Let's see what happens. Well, there you go. How about that? And here, under the mower, we have the paperwork, the instruction manual, and some parts, which I would take a guess is for connecting the handle extension onto it. So there we go. That was reasonably easy. And just put this over here so I don't lose it. And I guess I'll look at what I have to do to put it together. This has a little different handle from the other one that I have, from my old one. It has, they call this bicycle grip handle. So we'll have to see how that works. But other than that, it seems pretty straightforward. I could probably figure this out without hurting myself too much. I'll just lay this down for the moment. Okay, well, there we go. I may be back later with some more. Have fun.